Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the sum function in Google Sheets. First, I'll go over the standard way of just plugging in the formula, and then there's some shortcuts I want to show you. So this is the standard way. We are going to find the total sum for the numbers for project 1 from B2 to B13. So you click on the total cell right over here, double click, put in the equal sign, you type in sum, parentheses, B2 to B13, which is the cell where this set ends, close the parentheses, enter, that is your total. A shortcut is if you just enter equals, and then it sort of pops up this formula right over here, as you can see, and then you press tab, and there you go. And another shortcut is now that if we want the sums of all of these other projects in these other columns, you simply go to the lower right-hand corner of the first cell, click and hold, and then drag it across these three cells, let go, and then there you go, you have the totals of all of these separate columns. Hope this helps.